map Ghoro to Kankuria. Kitchen boys are busy in making breakfast. It's our instant. Once again closing camps at Ghoro 2. Members are waiting to start trek again today. Oh, good luck. See you again. Mustaq Tower. Icebergs and our luggages are going towards Kankuria. It's our goat. We will eat it at Kankuria. Today we walk on rigid rocks and glaciers. It's our lunchtime. The weather is clean and we are lucky. We are seeing all the beauty of nature and Karakorum range. Oasis, glaciers. Follow your guide's instruction carefully. Amazing view of G4. Wow, it's beauty. After 4 to 5 hours trek, we covered 11.8 kilometers and arrived at Kankuria. Kankuria is the capital city of Baltistan region. It is the wide area of glaciers surrounded by towering peaks like Golden Peak, K2, Broad Peak, G4 and its family. This area we called Baltistan, where you can go to gandaghrola and G1 and G2. Rescue helicopter trying to land. Don't miss the epic adventure. Subscribe to our channel for more thrilling trekking videos and like if you are excited about K2 base camp trek via gandaghrola.